Right, so you start for 10, so definitely the trimmer, the virtual channel. You've got to have the virtual channel, and just by factor of what you're doing with that channel, the VCC, that's like you getting your sound and putting it into a mixing desk. You're not putting any EQ in, you are just putting it through an analog mixing desk, and you choose that by all these here, deciding what desk you want. So definitely the trimmer, then that, then your favorite EQ, then a compressor. So I'm just going to route it. So that's the reverb I'm actually putting on the string there, so we can EQ that actual reverb. So we want to take some bottom out of it. This is all on the Slate. Give it a bit of sidechain. What I tend to do with this on the whole mix, so I've got this on the whole mix here now, I'll select it to mid side. So instead of putting it on all the mix, I'll select it to the mid side, which, so I'm just using the sides. I'll put some air on, and then maybe a little bit of, you know, whatever K, 12K, 19K, a bit of that. And all I'm doing is putting a bit of air in the sides. And I don't know if you can really hear this, so I'm going to, this is my favorite setting that I previously set up. You can copy it if you want. And then I'll take that down a little bit, because that's the strength, and then, you know, the vibe of it. Seriously, right, if you want to just lift your mix and give it that little bit of top end without all going over, so it's like going, all right, yeah, just get the dust off it, and it just gives it that shine. And because you put it in the sides and not in the middle, it just makes your mix just go shine. So I had to get that one in before I finish, yeah. So if I just wanted to make a reverb from scratch, so let's go for 250, which is one of the famous plates that I know. So we'll go for warm. And the beauty of this is you can actually EQ the actual reverb itself. You can do the width. And we'll just get a compressor on that. Nothing major. So I'm just getting that warmer sound with it by taking a bit of top off. And then Slate do individual compressors as well. So this is like an SSL compressor. Are there channels where you don't put warm plugins, or are you not looking for that warmth? I I tend to find if you're making house, American house to sort of house in general, things are a lot warmer. And what you have to try and get with these plugins, you're getting the color and the saturation. So it doesn't just sound digital. It doesn't just sound like, you know, digital, basically. Yeah, you want that analog circuitry like the old hardware gear. So I think even in techno, even in the EDM, there is an element where you're still looking for that warmth. And even though they're subtle, things like the virtual channel will still give you this.
Hi, this is Roger Sanchez.
Hi, this is Lenny Fontana.
Hey guys, this is Jackie.
Hi guys, Amber D here.
Hi, I'm Paul Maddox.
This is Satek.
Hi, this is Kyle V, and you're watching
Mixmasters TV,
where you can access world-class producers in your studio
Every single day.
Mixmasters.